Hi, my name is Kelly with JUKI America, and if you like a consistent seam gauge for your seam allowances and use maybe one, maybe two seam allowances, the T seam gauge is for you. What I can do is set this up so I can follow a perfect 1/4 inch seam or 1/2 inch, 5 inch, whatever you would like to do, and it's easy to attach. I have a mounting plate right here on my TL18 that I'm going to set it over. And I'm going to put the 2 screws in that come with it. And I'm going to put these in lightly so that I can tighten them after I put my gauge on the 1/4 inch seam. There it is. I love the accuracy of the gauge because I can use my fast speed on the TL18 to sew and get a consistent seam every time. All right, so now I've got those set. I'm going to use my seam gauge to double check the measurement from the needle. And that looks perfect on a 1/4 inch seam. So I'm going to tighten these. And I'm going to check the accuracy again because it tends to move when you tighten that screw. Oh, but it looks great. So now I will have a consistent 1/4 inch seam all set. So I just guide my fabric right next to the seam. And this is when I like to use full speed on the TL18 Haruka. The T gauge gives you wonderful accuracy for seam allowances. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time on a tip or project with JUKI America.